How to fix there is a billing problem with a family member's previous purchase. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device. Tap on your name banner and scroll down to the bottom and tap on sign out option. Enter your Apple ID password and tap on turn off and sign yourself out. Restart your iPhone and sign in again. Once signed in, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is good. Now tap on General and then on Date and Time. Make sure the date and time is set correctly. Next, tap on VPN and device management and make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services. Also, tap on language and region and make sure your region is set to the region your debit card or credit card was issued in. Also, check for iOS updates in your software update settings. To check, tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial to maintain optimal performance and it can also resolve issues. Now go back to Settings and tap on your name banner. Tap on Subscriptions now and make sure all your subscriptions are paid. Also, tap on Media and Purchases and then on View Account. Enter your Face ID or Touch ID or passcode and then tap on Manage Payments. Make sure the details that you have entered here is very accurate since this step is very crucial and by now your iPhone should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.